It's Tech Lid. There are no rumors, only news. News that we are tired about. News that over and over, for hundreds of years, generation after generation, the news remains the same. Another man murdered, another woman murdered, people of color, injustice, injustice after injustice after injustice. When is it enough? When is it enough? When will things change? Will things ever change? As a minority, I ask myself, when will things be different? When will things change? We are sick and tired of what is happening. It has happened over and over again throughout history. We keep seeing these injustices, these cruel acts that are non-human and disgusting. Over the years, we have had peaceful protests, demonstration after demonstration, not a person hurt, no one to be offended. It is to be understood that we as a people are sick and tired of what has happened. Over and over, the mistreatment, it just cannot go on. People that have resorted to violence, I don't condone it, but at the end of the day, it can be understood. You can feel the hurt, you can feel the pain that these people have gone through, what we have gone through. Everyone is fed up. We won't take it any longer. It's time to do things the right way. We need to come together and unite. We can no longer allow what has happened, what keeps happening. All over the country, we have people demonstrating, protesting. There are those that have done it peacefully, and we commend those. There are those that have taken other actions. We commend those too. Everyone that is expressing themselves has the right to do so in the way that they wish to do so. Technology has taught us one thing. Throughout history, we read about these injustices. We read about what happened to these people. These days, not only do we read about what happens to these people that are human, minorities that are human, human souls just like yours, just like mine. We read about the horrible, terrible, and disgusting things that happen. But in modern times, because of technology, we not only read about this, but we see this. We see it with our own eyes. It's playing out right in front of us. And what has that changed? It hasn't changed much. People are still doing things that are inhumane and cruel and shouldn't be condoned ever. We saw a man murdered 1 week ago, right on camera, right in front of everyone. You think that a camera in your face would stop somebody from committing a terrible crime. But no, this is not the case. We have to change here in America. Not only in America, but throughout the world. We must have a different mentality. We must learn to care for each other and treat each other right. If not, this will never stop. We have to put an end to this. It must end now. We have to prepare today for a better tomorrow. But we don't want to wait that long because we're sick and tired. Change must come now. Change must come quick. There's a reason that at the end of every video, I say these words: peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion. If the world had more of this, if the world had peace and love, we would live in a better world. It would be a better place. A better place for you, a better place for me, a better place for our children. What the world definitely needs is peace and love. I stand with you all. I stand with the minorities. We are all united on this front. Peace and love.